Welcome to our video, showcasing the best of Milwaukee's FUEL cordless tool line. Get ready to experience true corded power without the hassle of cords. From high-torque drills and saws to versatile polishers and miter saws, these brushless tools pack a punch while delivering unmatched mobility and runtime. Buckle up as we dive into the game-changing features that make these tools a must-have for any professional or DIYer. Milwaukee FUEL M18 Hammer Drill Striver. This powerhouse is built to tackle the toughest jobs head-on. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, an all-metal gear case for superior durability, and a monstrous 1,200 Nlbs of maximum torque, it's an extremely capable drill that won't back down from even the most demanding applications. Whether you're drilling through concrete, metal, or dense wood, this tool has the raw muscle to power through it all with ease. Plus, its cordless design frees you from the hassle of tangled power cords, allowing you to work uninterrupted in any job site environment. Milwaukee FUEL M18 7¼ Circular Saw. Experience true corded circular saw performance without the cord holding you back. Powered by a brushless motor that spins the blade at a blistering 5,800 RPM, this saw delivers fast, clean cuts every time. No more tripping over power cords or being limited by their reach. Take on cutting tasks with the freedom and power of this cordless beast. Its compact and well-balanced design ensures maximum control, while the advanced lithium-ion battery pack provides extended runtime, allowing you to tackle even the biggest jobs with ease. Milwaukee FUEL M18 SAWZALL Reciprocating Saw. Now in a cordless package that gives you true mobility on the job site. With a brushless motor that rips through materials at 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute, this Recip saw packs the raw muscle to tackle even the toughest cutting jobs with ease. No more dealing with cords getting in the way or limiting your reach. Just uninhibited cutting power in the palm of your hand. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with a powerful lithium-ion battery, make this tool a must-have for any pro who values versatility and performance. Milwaukee FUEL M18 1/2 Hammer Drill Driver. Concrete applications are no match for this powerhouse hammer drill driver. Engineered with a power-state brushless motor that delivers incredible power and efficiency, it's built to conquer the most demanding concrete drilling and driving tasks without breaking a sweat. From construction sites to tough home projects, this tool delivers the power, durability, and runtime you need to get the job done right, every time. Its robust all-metal gear case ensures long-lasting performance, while the cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangled power cords, allowing you to work uninterrupted in any environment. Milwaukee FUEL M18 7-inch Variable Speed Polisher. Cutting and polishing just got a whole lot easier with this versatile cordless polisher. Featuring a brushless motor that delivers up to 7,000 RPM of speed, it provides the power and performance you need for fast, professional results every time. But it's not just about raw power. The variable speed control puts you in command, allowing you to dial in the perfect speed for the job at hand, whether you're cutting, polishing, or buffing. Its compact and well-balanced design ensures maximum control and comfort, even during extended use. Milwaukee FUEL M18 HACKZALL One-Handed Recip Saw. Get into tight spaces with absolute ease using this compact, one-handed Recip saw. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers the cutting muscle you need for overhead or confined area jobs without the bulk of a full-size saw. Its maneuverability and raw power make it a must-have for any pro who values versatility on the job site. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangled power cords, allowing you to work uninterrupted in any environment, while the advanced lithium-ion battery pack provides extended runtime for even the biggest cutting tasks. Milwaukee FUEL M18 7¼ Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Experience true 12 corded miter saw power without the cord holding you back. This portable 18V beast delivers game-changing cutting capacity in a mobile, brushless platform that's perfect for any job site or home project. With its dual bevel design and sliding compound action, it provides incredible versatility and precision for even the most complex cuts. Plus, its advanced lithium-ion battery pack ensures extended runtime, allowing you to tackle even the biggest cutting tasks with ease without the hassle of tangled power cords or limited mobility. So that was about the 7 best Milwaukee FUEL tools you must see.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.